Hi, I'm going to show the Typhoon. It's private transactions on Binance Smart Chain, and it enables you to send private transactions between two BSC wallets. I hope you like the site, you like my video, and we can just start. Alright, so at the homepage of the site, you can see the three easy steps. It's very simply. So first is deposit. So you deposit BNB into the Typhoon smart contract and receive a randomly generated piece of text, so a note back. The second is transfer. So you pass the generated note to a different user that should receive the transaction. The note is the only way to withdraw your deposit. And third is withdraw. So upon providing the note by the target user, the smart contract will transfer the BNB to a wallet of your choice. And here you have what Typhoon actually does. So Typhoon works by letting user transactions mix with each other. All an observer will see is a long list of identical transactions coming and going from the Typhoon smart contract. The more people that use a Typhoon, the bigger the anonymity set becomes and the harder it is figure out where transactions originated from. And here's what they are working on. So the app MVP release, Typhoon token verification, coin market cap listing, and IFO and circulate token is done. And what they are doing staking, relay support, open source repositories, and airdrop implementation. And up next is liquidity, anonymity, rewards, DAO and governance system, more token support, and much more. And here you can just read the white paper when you are very interested in this site. And as you can see, it's a private-centric protocol to transfer funds on Binance Smart Chain. And here the overview and the goals and non-goals, a technical overview. So the secret generation, deposit, the withdrawal, their implemented solution, how privacy is achieved, the token ecosystem. So governance, they want Typhoon to evolve over time and adapt to user needs. To achieve this, the token will be used to draft proposals and vote on how the service should change. The direction of the product will be driven by the community. A second is fee claim. So Typhoon charges a 0.1% fee on withdrawal. Token holders will be able to claim a share of those fees proportional to the amount of tokens they use to interact with the service for staking and governance voting. Third is increasing anonymity. So the token is to be used as rewards for users providing funds to the Typhoon contracts. Provider funds actively help with increasing the anonymity set and securing the usage of other users. To encourage this, Typhoon will be attributed to those users. And four is fee reduction. So the token will be used to reduce occurring fees when interacting with the Typhoon smart contract in provided fees. Then you have token buyback and token burn and the token overview. So 20 million Typhoon token max supply. So 30%, so the 6 million project allocation, 10%, so the 2 million are to be made available to the team. 20% is 4 million are to be locked away behind immutable linear vesting contracts and to be released over a 12 months period. 10% of the locked away funds is to be used for ongoing costs, potentially legal, and 10% is to be kept as reserve and not put into circulation unless deemed necessary in emergency. And the 30%, so 6 million initial liquidity, 20%, 4 million is to be used for an initial funds offering and token circulation, 10%, so the 2 million is to be used for providing liquidity on AMMs and exchanges. 40%, so the 8 million project and community. The biggest allocation is solely for direct user distribution, to be used for direct rewards through staking, increasing the anonymity set, and using the surveys and airdrop and other reward initiatives. And here are the roadmap. So it all started in Q1 of 2021. So the MVP, initial release to mainnet, token circulation and IFO, build initial user base and open source development. And here what they plan to do in Q4 2021 is cross-chain considerations, and the sky is the limit. Alright, and here you can just get the Typhoon token on the PancakeSwap. You got to click here, create the crypto wallets and load again. You just click it, and then you got to click I understand and continue, and then you can just buy the Typhoon token, for example, for the BNB. So for example, you want to buy Typhoon 45 BNB, and it will be 7,392.99 Typhoon token, minimum received, price impact and liquidity provider fee. And then it's very easy. You got to click unlock wallet, then you got to connect to a wallet. So for example, MetaMask Trust Wallet, Meth Wallet, Token Pocket Wallet Connect, Binance Chain Wallet or SafePool Wallet, and I just prefer you to choose the MetaMask. And when you just make it, then you will have this notification and you got to log in. And you can just launch the Typhoon app, and Typhoon has successfully passed an audit by RD auditors, and experimental relay support is now available for withdrawals. And here is the action, so you can just deposit here the token type, and you can make it with BNB or BUSD, and the amount, for example 10, 100,000 or 10,000. And here are the latest deposits. So the 7-day volume is $505,000 and the balance is $50,000. And here you can just see all the transactions, and here you have withdrawal tool, here the recipient address, and when you just click donate, you can just donate the Typhoon site, and it will be the address of them. And here you can just use secure relay, so it's a +1% fee, and here you can just click it what is the relay. So they are a mechanism to provide an extra step of anonymity when withdrawing, instead of directly initiating a withdrawal from the user's wallet. A third-party wallet is used. So if user, then it goes to relay, and then relay goes to the Typhoon, and it goes to the user. And here are the staking. So Typhoon Pools will be added and closed as deemed necessary, so make sure you check back. And here are the available pools. So the Typhoon launch pool, total locked Typhoon is 1,851,000. And here you have the pool Typhoon BNB LP, and total locked Typhoon BNB LP is 16,478. Just click it, then you can just see that this pool currently charges a 0.5% fee on withdrawal. And here you can just stake the LP tokens you received for Typhoon, and you can then claim a Typhoon. So you have the total supply, your Typhoon balance, currently price, and then you can just claim it. Here are the documents. And the second nice thing is that the Typhoon is in partnership with the Whale Spring site. They have just support as well here, and it's like the community trading platform. Yeah, the most important thing is that the Typhoon is just in partnership with Wellspring. And another information for the Typhoon is that it's not available on the CoinStats, Delta and Live CoinWatch. The Typhoon Network is listed on CoinGecko. Successfully hired a full stack engineer and onboarded him to the team. Finished converting their mods into paid community managers. Expanded international reach with new Telegram subgroups and meme contest launched. And they have added a total of 8 new regions among the most active groups they have. So this is the Typhoon Network in Arabic, 916 members. Typhoon Network Vietnam, 158 members. Typhoon Network Japan, 165 members. Typhoon Finance Sweden, 291 members. Typhoon Network Russia, 139 members. Typhoon Network Germany, 193 members. And the Typhoon Network Romanian, 36 members. And the price has found support and started its way back to higher levels with a steady growth. Thanks to their listings on CoinGecko and Live CoinWatch, it's now much easier to follow the price action and stay up to date. A 7-day volume on the app has been consistently high, with this week clocking in with another rough $600,000 in transacted volume. And next cool thing is the meme competition, and the team will choose the 3 best memes and will award the creators a total prize of $150 in Typhoon tokens, and that will be divided between the winners. The thing is that you got to make an original and funny meme about a Typhoon, for example, like here with Drake. So without Typhoon Network tracked transactions, everyone can see what you do, no privacy, and with Typhoon Network untrackable transactions, no one can see what you do and the total privacy, for example, like this. And here you have the best 3 memes. First will win gold, so the $75 in Typhoon tokens, silver $50 in Typhoon tokens, and bronze the $25 in Typhoon tokens. The rules are: retweet their post with your meme and must tag Typhoon, and the Typhoon Network team will select the winners on April 23rd. The results will be announced on their Twitter page and contacted via the Twitter message. Alright, so that's all what I wanted to show in this video. I hope you like this site, you like my video, and that you will just get the Typhoon token on the Pancake swap. It's very easy, as I just already showed you. You got to click I understand, and then you can just buy it. For example, with BNB or another coins, you can just buy it for Ethereum too, or whatever you want. And you can just launch the app, and here just make your deposit, then just withdrawal. You have staking, you can just claim Typhoon tokens, and when you're very interested in this site, you can just read the white paper, as I already just said it to you. And again, Typhoon is just in partnership with Wellspring, and here you can just take a part of the meme competition. So the prizes are gold, silver and bronze, and if you want, you can just participate in it. So we'll see us in the next video. Goodbye.